Hey guys, welcome back to Agnes Alteration. I'm so glad you guys are here. Have you ever wondered how actually cuffs are done on a pair of men's slacks? I will show you so you'll know why you're paying me what you're paying me, because it's all about experience and how quick we can get it done. Anyway, I already measured the pants, so we need to cut them off 10 inches. Okay, that's for his length. So we're gonna measure the 10, make a little dot, measure 10. There you go. Then you grab a 1.25 inch ruler, because that's the size of the cuff that it's going to be. So we're gonna lay the ruler over here. That's the thickness of the cuffs. Put 1 and 2 and 3. That's the magic right here. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we start. We got Zoe over here crying. The sun is shining, and little Miss Zoe, she wants to go outside, but she's just gonna have to wait. So here we make our little markings. Turn around. Do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 3. And voila. And then we cut this edge right here. There. Guess what? We're gonna go to the iron board and we're gonna iron them right here. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so we went ahead and ironed them, so we have a nice clean cut over here. Dress pants, suits, I already sew them by hand. It looks just so much nicer. The cuffs, they last so much longer. So it is a kind of zigzag stitch. I pick up just a few thread at the bottom, and then a good on the top, go on the bottom
and on the top. Make sure nothing be picked up in the back. Everything's nice and neat,
always. So we made it almost to the end, all the way around. A couple of stitches here. And what's gonna happen next is we're going to do our fold over, attach our cuff. And we had our line over here. You make your seams match. You go in here to hide your knot, and you attach it all the way in here. and you'll have a nice pair of pants. Once you steam, everything is gonna go right in its place the way we like it. If you have some chalk marks, you just take it off with a brush. See? No big deal. And here you have a pair of cuffs. I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the things that we need to do in order to keep us going. Appreciate you guys. Bye.